Every gardener knows the heartbreak of lifeless, compacted soil, the kind that refuses to support vibrant growth no matter how much water or fertilizer is added. What many don't realize is that nature has already designed some of the best soil healers available. These powerhouse plants are more than just green cover. They act as living amendments, rejuvenating soil by fixing nitrogen, adding organic matter, loosening compaction, and feeding microbial life beneath the surface. When soil is tired, these plants bring it back to life without synthetic input or expensive interventions. Alfalfa is often underestimated in the home garden, but its ability to revive soil is unmatched. With roots that plunge as deep as 10 feet into the earth, alfalfa acts as a natural aerator, breaking up compacted layers and pulling up minerals from deep within the subsoil. These nutrients, often inaccessible to shallow-rooted plants, are brought to the surface as the alfalfa plant matures and decomposes. What makes alfalfa a standout soil revitalizer is its nitrogen-fixing ability. Like all legumes, alfalfa has a symbiotic relationship with rhizobium bacteria, which form nodules on its roots and convert atmospheric nitrogen into a plant-usable form. When alfalfa is mowed down or tilled into the soil as a green manure, it deposits this nitrogen-rich biomass directly where it's needed. Over time, the soil becomes more crumbly, nutrient-dense, and biologically active, offering ideal conditions for vegetables, flowers, and even fruit trees to thrive. Crimson clover is one of the most visually striking soil-improving plants, but its beauty is only half the story. This cool-season legume germinates quickly and grows rapidly, making it ideal for gardeners looking to restore soil health between main crop seasons. Its lush foliage protects bare soil from erosion and water loss, while its root system keeps the underground ecosystem teeming with microbial activity. What truly transforms dead soil into fertile ground is crimson clover's nitrogen contribution. The plant captures atmospheric nitrogen and stores it in its root nodules throughout the growing season. When cut back before flowering or turned into the soil, it releases a wave of nitrogen and organic material that helps rebuild the soil structure and feed future crops. Its biomass acts as a sponge, improving water retention and reducing the leaching of minerals. Incorporating crimson clover as a cover crop or living mulch can quickly shift soil from barren to balanced, making it a favorite among regenerative gardeners. Dead soil is often compacted, preventing roots, water, and air from moving freely. Daikon radish offers a natural solution to this widespread problem. With its long, tapering taproot, daikon drills deep into hardened soil layers, breaking them apart with ease. Once mature, the plant can be cut and left to decompose in place. As it rots, the radish leaves behind a vertical channel that improves aeration, drainage, and root penetration for the next crop. Though it's not a legume and doesn't fix nitrogen directly, daikon radish plays a critical role in unlocking the soil's potential. Its rapid growth suppresses weeds and covers the soil surface, protecting it from erosion. As the radish decomposes, it adds organic matter that feeds beneficial soil organisms, especially fungi and bacteria that support nutrient cycling and plant immunity. When grown during fall or early spring, daikon radish serves as an excellent soil primer, setting the stage for nutrient-demanding crops like tomatoes and peppers. Hairy vetch stands out among legumes for its cold tolerance and resilience in poor soils. It thrives in challenging conditions where other cover crops might fail, making it an ideal candidate for soil that's already stressed or degraded. As it grows, hairy vetch covers the soil densely, preventing weed invasion and reducing temperature fluctuations at the surface level. Its true strength, however, lies underground. Like its legume cousins, hairy vetch captures nitrogen from the air and stores it in nodules which later decompose and release the nutrients directly into the soil. In addition to this nitrogen-fixing superpower, hairy vetch's extensive root system improves soil structure and boosts microbial life. Gardeners often use hairy vetch as a winter cover crop, allowing it to grow during the off-season. In spring, it can be mowed and incorporated into the soil as a green manure. This boosts organic content and provides a slow, steady release of nutrients just in time for the planting season. Comfrey may not fix nitrogen, but what it lacks in nitrogen it makes up for in mineral cycling. This deep-rooted perennial is often referred to as a dynamic accumulator because of its unique ability to pull up calcium, potassium, magnesium, and other micronutrients from deep below the soil line. These nutrients are stored in its large, fast-growing leaves, which can be harvested several times a season. When the leaves are chopped and dropped around garden beds or composted into tea, they release a rich mix of trace minerals that enrich the topsoil. This process not only boosts nutrient availability but also adds carbon-rich biomass that supports earthworms and beneficial fungi. Comfrey also acts as a living mulch. Its dense foliage suppresses weeds, retains moisture, and cools the soil, further encouraging microbial growth and healthy root systems. For gardeners dealing with depleted soil, a single comfrey plant can become a cornerstone of long-term fertility management. The key to soil revival isn't found in a bag of synthetic fertilizer but in nurturing the ecosystem beneath our feet. These 5 plants offer a holistic path to regenerating lifeless soil by improving texture, enriching fertility, and activating the soil food web. Whether grown as cover crops, companion plants, or mulch sources, they gradually transform the soil into a thriving, living medium that supports abundant growth for seasons to come. Each of these plants works not only in isolation but in harmony with the others. Planting combinations, such as Daikon Radish with crimson clover or alfalfa followed by comfrey, can enhance results even further. The process takes time, but the results are long-lasting and cost-effective, often requiring little more than seed and patience. By incorporating these natural healers into the garden, even the most exhausted soil can be brought back to vibrant life without chemical inputs. It's a quiet revolution taking place in backyards and balconies, and it's one every gardener can join. For more regenerative gardening wisdom and soil-first solutions, don't forget to subscribe to Hydrohaven and share this guide with fellow growers who are ready to transform their soil naturally. Your garden and your soil will thank you.